Welcome to a new Erbessd Instruments tutorial. Learn how to connect and assign your Phantom model. The Phantom current models can measure up to 4 phases simultaneously, and its installation is very easy. First, we have to remove the 4 screws that are attached in the base of the Phantom. Use a safety T7 Torx screwdriver and unscrew counterclockwise to remove each screw one by one. Remove the model's base and save it with the screws. Remove the battery's protective sponge to see into the Phantom's interior. Here you will see all of the channels or phases available for your sensor. All of the current models have 2 types of connection, COM and IN. To connect the sensor's cables, first you'll need to remove the protection so you can put them into the model. But first, you need to unscrew the terminal block corresponding to the channel you want to connect. Now, you can insert the sensor's cables into the model and arrange them so you can put the tip of the cables into the terminal block. Once inserted, screw back again the terminal block to press the tip of the cable. This way you can assure a better connection between the sensor and the module. Be certain that the tip is correctly pressed by the terminal block. The next step is to connect the clamp to the cables we connected to the Phantom model. First, you need to loosen the screws of the clamp so you can insert the other end of the cables. It is important to keep in mind that the color's orientation match the one of the other end connected to the model. The same cable connected to COM must be connected to 0 volts. And the same cable connected to IN must be connected to 5 volts. Place the end of the cable and screw them to the clamp, making sure to be very tight. Now your system is ready. You just need to add it to Digivibe and to a machine to start recording data. To assign a current sensor to any of our machines, first you need to add them through the Phantom wizard. You can find in our YouTube page a video for this specific step. Once that the sensor is added to the database, first you need to locate the machine where you want to assign it. With right-click, select the Configure option. If you want to assign the sensor to the machine, you can do it in the Extra Parameters section with the Add button. If you want to assign the sensor to a specific point, click in the Set button in the Extra Values section, and with the Add button, you will see a window where you will choose the parameter to measure. In this case, choose Amperage and then click in Set Phantom. In the next window, choose the group where the sensor is added and then choose the sensor you want to assign. Then, click the phase on which the point will be measured and select the value of the clamp connected. Click OK to save all of the settings and exit all the windows. With this, the sensor is now assigned to the point. To visualize the information gathered by the sensor, click Extra Parameters in the main screen and then locate the point where the sensor is assigned. In the screen on the right, you'll be able to see all of the assigned parameters of that point. Remember to update your Phantom sensors. You can update them easily through the Phantom Manager app. You can find in our YouTube page a video on how to update your Phantom devices. Visit our online store and acquire our Phantom products. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. For more information and tutorials, visit erbessdinstruments.com.